Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage and potatoes. Preheat a large skillet and gather 1 head cabbage, 2 pounds potatoes, 3 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. Start by parboiling diced potatoes until just tender, then slice cabbage thinly. Sauté onions in oil until soft, add potatoes and cabbage, then cook until edges. Begin by selecting waxy potatoes and a firm cabbage for best texture. Peel and dice potatoes into 1-inch cubes to cook evenly. Remove core and thinly slice cabbage, keeping slices about 1/4 inch. Boil potatoes for 6-8 minutes until fork tender but not falling apart. Meanwhile, sauté minced garlic and onion in oil until fragrant. Combine potatoes and cabbage, season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, then brown and serve. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability. They pair nicely with kitchen chores and long recipe tests, honestly. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Flavor the dish by experimenting with acids and fats for balance and depth. Try a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Stir in bacon bits or cooked sausage for smoky richness, or keep it vegetarian with mushrooms. Add cream or a knob of butter for silky texture, or finish with mustard for bite. Top with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and a grind of black pepper before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.